So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to import and export databases in MySQL Workbench. I have a simple database just for testing. So let's start the video. We will, by clicking on the server. We will export our data first. Click on data export. Choose what's the table or the database that you wanna export, and then go here just to change the location of where you want it to be exported. I want to be my desktop, or let's change it. For example, I want to be in my downloads. Click on OK, and then export progress, and then start export. Let's overwrite it, and then one of one exported. And then let's go here, go to downloads, and we have it here. Let's go back to MySQL Workbench, drop this schema to test the import. Let's go back to server, go to data import, choose the second option because we are choosing the export file. Go to downloads where our file is, click on this one, click on open, and then just go here and import progress, and then start import, and it will be, think it will be running for you successfully. I just have an error with my PC. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.